In this video, I will show you how to register an LLC in the USA from Pakistan, and the method I'll show you in this video helps you stay 100% compliant, and it helps you with the formation, getting your EIN, registered agent, filing your annual state fees, federal tax filings, and you will get a dedicated account manager, and you can even get a US bank account, all with the strategies that I'll show you in this video. So by watching this video until the end, you will learn everything you need to know in order to start a US LLC from Pakistan and avoid any fines and fees for registering your company in the wrong way. So to do this, you want to go ahead and use a tool like Doola, because if you do it yourself, it's a lot more difficult, it will cost a lot of time, and you won't be sure that you are 100% compliant. Now Doola right here, which is the tool that I used, helps you start your US business from anywhere and keep it 100% compliant, and you can see their reviews are actually great. When we click on this, you can see they have a 4.5 reviews out of 5 with over 1400 reviews. Now if you want to get started with Doola, you can use my link down in the description, and when you use that link, you can actually get a free consultation, although you can also just start your LLC with the link in the description without this free consultation. So how this works is, as you can see right here, when I go to formation, you can form your US company from anywhere in the world, so we want to do from Pakistan, and that's completely possible. So right here you want to select LLC, and you can see what you need to do to get started. So first, form your company, and what they need is your ideal company name, your personal address, and this can be anywhere in the world, and your email address. That's everything they need. Then they will get everything you need. So they will get your company formed with any state, so you can pick the state yourself. Then you will get an employer identification number, an operating agreement and articles of organization, and you will get the registered agent service, and all of this is done completely for you with Doola. So you will get your EIN in 1 to 2 business days or 8 weeks without the SSN. Then once you get your EIN, which is required for a bank account, you're ready to apply for a US bank account through their custom partner portal. A passport is required for this step. So this entire process shouldn't take more than 2 weeks. As you can see, 1 week, 1 to 2 business days, 3 to 5 business days. So this can be done completely in 2 weeks, and then you will have a completely 100% compliant company formed using Doola. Now if you're wondering what the pricing is, we can see that right here. Now as you can see, in order to start your business, formation, EIN filings, registered agent service, operating agreement, and regular compliance reminders, you will pay $297 per year. However, the plan that I use is the Stay 100% Compliant plan. Now the reason I use this is for the dedicated account manager and a free CPA consultation. Now you can see how much you need to pay for this, either a monthly subscription of $300 or an annual subscription of $2,000. Now you may think this is a pretty steep and high price, however $300 per month is a lot less than what you will need to pay if you do this wrong. Because if you do this wrong, you could end up paying too little taxes and getting fined thousands of dollars. So therefore I do like that they help you with literally everything, and you don't have to worry about this part of your business, so the compliancy side of your business. You can just focus on your business and you don't need to worry about this when you use Doola. So you can see right here what's included in each of these plans. So you also get your annual state filings done completely for you. You get tax support with the IRS tax filings, which is usually $1,200 per year. Then you get a CPA consultation. You get the bookkeeping software and a dedicated account manager, and then on top of that, everything you need for the formation and compliance. So if you want to get started with this plan right here, then you want to click total compliance right here. And now what you can do is click free consultation, and then you will book a consultation with one of their experts. Or if you just want to get started and save some time, you can just click get started right here. And now you can get started with forming your US business from Pakistan. So either enter your email address right here to start a free consultation, or you can choose to just click I'm ready to get started right there, and now you can get started with setting up your LLC in the US. So to do this, first enter your first and last name, your email address, and your password twice. Then click on sign up with email. Now here you want to select your country of residence, so you want to go ahead and type in Pakistan right here and select that. Now as you can see, it is available because this is completely possible. Now click next right here. Now you want to choose LLC right here, since we are forming an LLC, so then click on next. Now here you can choose a state for your LLC. Now they recommend Wyoming because right here you have simplified formation, lower annual operating costs and flexibility. There is also no corporate income tax or annual franchise tax. So I also do recommend to pick Wyoming, although you can pick any state of your liking, but I just choose the Wyoming one right here. As you can see, there is a one-time filing fee of $102, which is also not that bad. So you can see the benefits of it right here. So you get asset protection, business friendly environment, and everything else you see here. So then click next right there. Now here you want to enter your company name. So this can be anything you like as long as it's not taken yet. So for example, if I enter my YouTube channel name and then click next, it will now take you to the next step. So you can start your dream business and keep it 100% compliant. So here you have the total compliance package, which includes everything you see right here, which will really save you some time and stress and help you focus on your business. So now you can do a monthly or annual subscription, whatever you want. You will save about $1,600 per year. So I'll just set it to annual, for example. Now click on next right there. And now you want to go in and review your order, so make sure that your details right here are correct and then check this box right here and click confirm and pay, and then you will get access to the Doola platform, and I'll show you where you can access that. So right here in the Doola.com website, you just want to click sign in, and then you can use your credentials, so your email and your password, in order to sign in to your dashboard, and then you can see kind of what's going on, what they are currently doing for you, such as getting your EIN or just registering your business or getting your LLC name, etc. So again, if you want to get a free consultation or you just want to start your LLC right now using Doola, you can use my link down in the description. So now you know how to register a US LLC from Pakistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.